Welcome to the service clinic at Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. Got a quick tech tip for you. I am working on a early 90s EVO and I'm reconditioning the vehicle. And old motorcycles with the split tanks, you get a lot of sediment inside, okay, from age. And that sediment wants to flow where the crossover tube is to the other tank. So this gets packed up. And a lot of guys don't know that you're not using all your fuel tanks because it's staying in one side of it. So I want to clean this area up. And I usually start with some safety wire, about 32 thousandths, and I bend over the tip so it doesn't have the real sharp end to it. Just a nice, so I don't gouge inside here. And then I use a little penetrating fluid. I don't care what kind you use. And I let that sit in there maybe about a couple of minutes. I always believe in letting the chemicals do their work for me. After it's softened up what's inside there, I'll put this inside and I'll work on it, okay? But as you know, it's hard to get this to go into the turn. So I wanted to share a little tech tip. All right, I am a child of a mother who went through the Depression, and I don't throw away anything. Well, I had a broken throttle cable last year, and I took out the guts on it. And this is what I do with this guts. I undo and choose an end, and I see, okay, how much do I need to go all the way through? About 2 inches, okay? So I will cut 2 inches off of this inner cable, and I'll put it inside my drill. So now this flexible piece will go in and go all the way through and work it all out. Now, of course, you're going to have to flush it after you're done, but this little flex doesn't harm anything, cleans out, like a roto-rooter, I guess, and cleans out the whole tube and makes it a little bit easier to get this to flow on both sides. I do it on both sides of the tank. Wanted to share this little tech tip, so if you've got some old throttle cables that you're not using anymore, save the inner part because it's flexible and can get into areas that maybe sometimes a solid wire can't. A little tech tip from Low Country Harley-Davidson. I'm Doc Harley. We'll see you next week.